Who is the only woman that is mentioned by name in the Quran? Maryam alaihissalam. Now, of course, the Quran references dozens of women, but Maryam is the only one who is actually mentioned by name, and there's even a surah of the Quran that is named after her. Imam Qurtubi explains that according to custom, it was considered, you could say, impolite or disrespectful for a man to casually refer to free women by their names. So when referring to women, a man would only say something like imra'atu, the wife of so-and-so, or ibnatu, the daughter of so-and-so. So we see that the Quran is actually in agreement with this custom, and so it does not mention the names of women. However, as Imam Qurtubi explains, it was not considered disrespectful to refer to slave women by their names. Now, our relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that of complete servitude. We are all His slaves. We all belong to Him. But what sets the believer apart from the rest is that the believer brings their free will under the command of Allah Azza wa Jal, right? A believer worships and obeys Allah by choice. Now, one of the reasons why Maryam alayhi is mentioned by name in the Quran is because she was truly an excellent worshipper and slave of Allah. She chose to worship Him Azza wa Jal. She devotedly remained in worship to Him and strongly believed in the words and commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.